I'm fucking rich. Fucking rich. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is going to be a video for tomorrow, simply because of how fucking long this is taking to fill up. I've built this today. I've done the fence all the way around. I've put solar lights up. I've tried to make it just fit for purpose. By no means is this gonna remain unless I actually concrete it down. I fucking realise I'm in the road there. There you go. So I've got my flag up. Go on, Scotland. I had an England one, it blew away. I'm not going to replace it. But yeah, the cold plunge pool area is getting there. I ain't worked the lid out yet for this, and it's obviously the lid is round, but the actual thing is not. And the fill lines are there. So I want to take it all the way to the top and hope that it rounds it off. But on the box, it says the lid goes that way. Well, that's just going to get blown off, isn't it? I thought it went that way. Maybe it does, I don't know. I'm going to fill it up. It's been going for about 15 minutes now. But as I say, I've a couple of hours. Really busy day today, helping other people out as well with fencing and other bits of DIY and stuff like that. More fire bricks dug out from the ground. I don't know if they are fire bricks. I think they're fire bricks. AI chat GPT thinks they're fire bricks. If they are, I'm going to fucking use them. It said put one in a fire, like a campfire, and light it, leave it for a couple of hours, and if they don't crack or explode, then they're fire bricks. I've done that and it didn't crack, but I still got it in my head. Maybe it's my own mental health going, oh, if I build something with them, it's going to fail. I don't know. Someone in the know might know a bit fucking more than me, but some of them have got these like divots in them, and it's really nice. Chat GPT says that it could be the person who's made its thumbprint. How fucking cool is that, if that is true? But yeah, they've got different names all over them. They're all the same size brick though. So I don't know. I don't know. I know fire bricks are bloody dear, and I looked up these bricks online and it says even used in that condition, people are trying to sell it. There's one with a name. People are trying to sell these on eBay for like 15 quid each. One sold for £11. I'm fucking rich. Fucking rich. But yeah, we'll fill this up. It's something for tomorrow at least. But oh, and I've got the japonica to plant as well. If you guys think it's a good idea doing it in this corner just to fill this void a little bit. Let me know. I did have a timer on there, but it fell in. It was my meat probe timer. It cost me about 40 quid and it fell in, and now it ain't working. So hopefully I'll get that working again, because like I'd say, I use it for all my barbecue meats and stuff. But yeah, we'll come back when this is all done, lit up, and make sure the solar lights work. The wind's definitely there for the flag. And like I say, if this works and I'm happy with it and I like it, I will cement this corner down, and then this will become, when I step off my slabs, this area will become the cold plunge corner for the mornings. But yeah, look out for the video tomorrow. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you, I'll either see you when this is full up or I'll see you tomorrow. We'll see how I feel, but thank you very much. Take care of yourselves and subscribe. It's fucking nearly there, look. I want to fill it all the way to the top. I know you probably shouldn't, because structural integrity and all the rest of it, but how else is the circle lid going to fit that 50p shaped hexagonal? We'll figure it out. We're finally full up. Look at that, it looks so inviting. There's fucking bugs in it already. And I figured out the lid. It goes, I know I've overfilled it massively, but structurally, you know, structural integrity wise, I think it's fine. Obviously, if you get in it, you're going to lose some water, but it's my garden, so I don't care if it splashes. That's how it goes, look. So if I was, I don't know, a wee person, I'd want to run across that. It just feels lush. But there you go. That's done. So a video for tomorrow. I'll see you all there. You can watch me shiver me nuts off. And that is going to get really cold overnight as well. Not frozen. I'm not going to have to bust the ice, but it's only going to be a handful of months until we're in autumn, and then we're in winter, and then I will be breaking out a fucking hammer. If I like it and it doesn't, I'll just get another one, like a better one, or I'll make one from scratch. If anyone's done that, let me know, and I'll obviously have a little watch if you've got a video on that. But for now, 15 quid. Elfie head. You just got to submerge yourself in freezing cold water apparently now and again. But I'll see you all tomorrow. All right, take care.